am Aryan Singh from class 11C, studying in Sri Sankara Senior Secondary School. Today's my presentation topic is matter and its state. Now I am write the topic. Matter. What is matter? Anything which has mass and occupies space is called matter. Example: toothbrush, pen, pencil, water, milk are matter. As well as bicycle, car, bus is also a matter. That is true. The example which I given in front of you, that instrument and object we use in our day-to-day life. There are three states of matter. First is solid, second liquid, and third are gas. Solid has definite shape and definite volume. Example: ice and rock. It is rigid, it can't press easily. Second is liquid. Liquid has definite volume but not definite shape. Example: water take the shape of anything or object. Third is gas. Gas neither have definite volume nor definite shape. Gas is neither definite volume nor definite shape. Example: smoke does not has a fixed ratio, fixed volume and fixed shape. Yet we are talking about states of matter. After this we are talking about categories of matter. First, there are two categories of matter. First is pure substance and second is mixture. Pure substance. Pure substance has fixed composition. Example: gold, silver, etc. Pure substance are divided into two categories. First is element, second is compound. Element having only one atom. Example: gold and silver. Pure compound. More than one type of atom are stable. Example is water and carbon dioxide. Our second category of matter is mixture. More than one type of atom are combined in any ratio. First is homogeneous mixture. Mixture are divided into two categories. First is homogeneous mixture and second is heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture only uniform composition throughout. Example: sugar solution and salt solution. Sugar can easily be dissolved in water as well as salt can easily be dissolved in water. It can't separate easily. Second is heterogeneous mixture. Non-uniform composition throughout. Example: mud, water. Mud cannot easily dissolve in water. It can easily be thrown out in the water. Let's see this draw. When gas forms solid, this process is called deposition. When solid form gas, this process is sublimation. When solid form liquid, this process is melting. When liquid form solid, this process is known as freezing. When gas form liquid, this process is vaporization. When liquid form gas, this process is condensation. Thank you.